Hello, in this video I will explain how to visualize specimen in this monoocular compound microscope. The specimen which we are going to visualize in this instrument can be either prepared or unprepared. Now what is prepared and what is unprepared specimen, that I will explain in another video. Before handling this instrument, there are some procedures or safety precautions one needs to follow to avoid any danger. So to start with the precautions, first and foremost, wearing hand gloves is very much important. Now if you cannot arrange hand gloves, use sanitizer to sanitize your hand before using this instrument. Second important thing is wearing mask is important. Like any other experiments or any other lab procedure, wearing lab coat is very much essential. Now talking about the procedure, first important thing is to take out this instrument from the closet or the box in which it is kept. To take out this instrument, we need to use two hands. With one hand, we will hold the arm of the microscope, and with other hand, we will hold the base of the microscope in this way, so that it will not fall on the ground. After placing the microscope on the working bench, ensure that there is proper light source available. Next, very important is cleaning the microscope with a silk cloth, like this, cleaning the stage, the arm and the base, and also the mirror. Next important step is cleaning the lenses, the ocular lens and the objective lens. With this, let's get started. After placing this microscope on the working table or working bench, make sure that the microscope is getting sufficient light from the source. In some microscopes, there are already inbuilt light source. For the microscope which is not having inbuilt light source, we have to adjust the mirror which is placed at the base of the microscope, and to get or to focus to the external light so that the microscope is sufficiently illuminated, and this can be checked with the ocular lens. Once the microscope is getting sufficient light, we have to use this knob to move the condenser and the iris diaphragm up near to the stage or hole. Now place the specimen or slide containing the specimen gently on the stage and hold the slide with the clips. Make sure that the specimen is just near the hole present on the stage. Using 10x objective lens, try to focus the specimen with coarse adjustment knob and fine adjustment knob. The distance between the specimen and the 10x objective lens should not be more than 2 cm. Let me show you how it is visible with 10x objective lens. This is stomata of leaf. Once the object is focused with 10x objective lens, now we have to rotate this nose piece to use the 45x objective lens, focusing on the specimen. And see through it through the ocular lens. The distance between 45x objective lens and stomata and the slide containing the specimen has to be 1 millimeter or less. Now, using fine adjustment knob, try to tune it for better visibility. Let me show you how it is visible in 45x objective lens. Once it is done, make sure to remove the slide from the stage and place back the microscope from where it was taken.